In today's video, I'll show you how to change a project's color and icon in Asana. When you're juggling lots of projects in your sidebar, giving each one a distinct color and symbol makes it so much faster to spot the one you need at a glance. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open the project I want to customize by clicking on my test project. Now, up at the top, right next to the project name, there's a small drop-down arrow that opens the Actions menu. I'll click that arrow now. In this menu, look for the option called Set Color and Icon. I'll click on that, and a little panel slides out, and it's split into two parts. Up top, you've got a grid of colors, and below that, a whole gallery of icons to represent your project. Let's start with the color. I'll pick a nice green for this project. Watch the project icon in the sidebar as I click it. Did you see that? The moment I chose the color, it updated instantly, no saving required. Now let's give it a matching icon. This gallery has symbols for all sorts of projects. Calendars, checklists, light bulbs, rockets, you name it. You just scroll through and click whichever one fits. And that's the whole thing. Your project now has its own visual identity, which is a small touch that makes a busy workspace feel a lot more organized and a lot easier to navigate. One quick tip. If none of the built-in icons feel right, notice that little Upload tab. You can add your own custom image to use as the project icon instead. So to recap, click the Actions arrow next to your project name, choose Set Color and Icon, then pick a color and an icon from the panel. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.